Here's a Lakewood brace blade box fan with the original box. I got this at a flea market several years ago, and there's quite an interesting story behind it. So I was just walking around this flea market, and I saw the box for the fan sitting by the garbage cans. And after I dug around a little more, I found the fan too, but no cord. So I decided to take it home and use one of the cords off the radio for it, because these have detachable power cords for anyone who didn't know. But as I was walking out, this lady said, oh, that doesn't work, there's no cord. So I told her that they have detachable cords, and she said, oh. And then she walked away and started digging around in a bin, and then walked back a few minutes later with the cord. So then I had a complete fan. Well, mostly. So, I'll show you the box. Someone taped over it, but it's in pretty good condition other than that. It says on it, patented high-performance 5-lane blade, and it's a model 101. Energy efficient. That's permanently lubricated motor and 3-speed control. And the other side's says the same thing. On the side of the box, right here, make sure I got it. This is kind of an awkward angle, but there's a sticker right here. I don't know if you're going to be able to read it because it was taped over, but right here it says 9/24. So I guess this was sold in 2009. And there's another sticker that says, thank you for shopping with us. Oh, it actually has a date too. 9/05. Okay. So, I guess maybe it was sold in 2005. Anyway, here on the top, it says McEwing B-217. I guess that's like a room number for a school or something. Like I said, I got it at a flea market. It didn't come with a manual or any feet, unfortunately. And here's the fan. As you can see, it's missing the handle. I've heard that that's a common problem that he's had. Here's the back. It has a detachable power cord, like I said. So anyway, make sure it's okay. It is. So anyway, I'm gonna turn it on, and you can see it running. And off. And there you go. There's my Lakewood 101 box fan. Oh, and I actually have another one of these that's back at my grandparents' house, so whenever I go back there, I'll try and get a video of that one. But thanks for watching.